Hi guys, Sandra here. Just a quick video today so that you can see what I'm going to be giving you. The file will include this shape here for you to put on the front of a card, but obviously these are just design papers, so you won't get a file for those. However, what I've done, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, is I've used some Sakura pens to add a few highlights. The dress that this young lady is wearing is actually being coloured in using a fluorescent pen, and if I put that under UV light it will actually glow. I have used a glossy pen, which is their glaze pen, to do the collar on the dress. I used another fluorescent one for the tube of the bike, and I use a glossy black pen to go over the wheel, so it just adds a little bit extra to the paper. Oh, and I used a sparkly pen over a couple of the flowers. So on the inside, this is what you see. It's very nicely three-dimensional, and I can't give you the file, or I won't give you the file for this one, because that is the only metal die I have. It was given with the Evolution embossing machine that I've got. So I cut out some silver card and some brown sparkly card to make a mirror basically, and I just added a couple of lines above it for the wire that hangs the mirror up. So all these elements I drew myself, and I will give you in the file. You have the base of the box, followed by some paper which is inside the box, and then you have the box lid. So to embellish these and make them a little bit more interesting, I used double-sided sticky tape and I foiled the actual paper, and I've put a few little star embellishments on there. I've put a few star embellishments and things on the box as well. I used a glaze pen to go over the bow so that it would look all nice and shiny, and I use the glaze on the dots as well. Now the file, when you see it, will give you a print and cut for this, but it's not designed to be just print and cut. It's a very rough print, so the idea is that you do use other pens, whether it be glaze pens, alcohol pens or whatever, to go over these elements in whatever colours you like, in order just to make it a little stronger in colour without going through tons of your ink basically. Printer ink is horrendously expensive, but it just gives you the extra oomph of having the basic design, the basic colour then, but you can just jazz it up a little bit. I've used some sparkle pen on the leather on the heel, on the back of the heel here. And I've used some white pen to add in the highlights, and I've put a sparkle pen on the line and stitching there, and a metallic one over the bow on the hat. So I'm not going to show you how to put it together. I will link two videos. One is a basic how-to on how to construct it and put it together, and the other one will give you two other designs to use. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.